DJI, preparing for the storm. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Ever since 2011, when I met my beautiful wife and moved to Florida, I've had to prepare for something every year from the months of June to the end of November, and it's called hurricane season. It takes different shapes and forms, but basically, you want to have enough supplies on hand to be able to survive a hurricane should it hit and land in your area. Well, we're fast forwarding to today, to 2025, and we're facing a little bit of a different storm. This one is regarding DJI. I want to go ahead and show you some of the things that I've purchased to help weather the storm regarding DJI. So, without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Take you through some of the items that I purchased to help weather the DJI storm. You can see there's a 100-watt adapter there. There's a 65-watt adapter there. And then there is a spare case for batteries and batteries for the Neo 2. And I've tried to do these in order here. This is, again, a 100-watt adapter, some additional propellers, a new battery, and a battery case for the Mini 5 Pro. And then in the middle section, it's all the Mavic 4 Pro. You can see I have two adapters. I have plenty of propellers. I bought two spare batteries, and I bought a battery charging case as well, too. Now, moving on through the Mavic 3 Pro, there is a 100-watt adapter, a charging base, batteries, and propellers that I've purchased for that. Now, moving here, I purchased a DJI Mic Mini charging case. I purchased several DJI Mic Minis as they were on sale. I've also purchased, you can see, for an Air 3S, which I had picked up a second one of, propellers as well. And then I had also purchased a DJI Mavic 3 Pro that actually has a DJI RC Pro with it, and it is a Fly More combo. Now, some items of note. I do have some additional items on order, specifically some batteries, and I've ordered them through a lot of eBay sellers, most of them through China, who do pay the tariffs, by the way, so there wasn't any issue with that. But as you know, a lot of that is slow if it doesn't come via FedEx or UPS. So I still am waiting on a few items as far as that's concerned. And I also have purchased some other items, non-DJI specific items, like cases and battery lipo containers and other adapters, so forth, that aren't specifically DJI. And I'm not going to cover those, but were all purchased to help out regarding this as well. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI preparing for the storm? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.